Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change the beat on a metronome, and this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. So if you have a metronome like this and you want to change the beat on it, it is really easy to do. I'm going to start by letting the metronome start off like this, and basically on this metronome, this is how you change the beat. Wrong side. I do apologize. Okay, so you can see there's a slider here, and on the slider it shows some numbers. Right now it's on the number 0, which is why there's no beat. It's just the clicking back and forth. If I go all the way to the other end, and obviously your numbers might be different, but if I look at that reflection, I was like, whoa, I thought someone was in the back seat. I was like, that scared me, because I just came to my van right now. This is the first video I'm filming. Like, I come to my van and I'll film a few videos at once, right? So this is the first video that I'm filming in this session. So, like, I just got to the van a few minutes ago, like maybe 2 minutes ago, and that someone was in the back there. It scared me. All right, anyways, I take the volume slider. I take the slider over here. It's like the beat slider, we'll call it. I'm going to go all the way to the other end, and it is on number 2. Every second click, it is dinging, okay? Next one is number 3. Every third click, okay? 4. Every fourth click. 6. Every sixth click is a ding. Very simple, okay? And then back to 0. So that's how you change the beat. You use the slider, and you slide it to whichever option you want. Now, the other option, and I don't think you want this one, you can change the beat in terms of the speed of the beat. And I don't think you clicked on this video to learn that, right? Because that would be speed. But, you know, you can change the speed by adjusting the slider, right? Adjusting the slider on the front. That's how you change the speed. But I don't think you clicked this video because you were concerned about this when you're speaking about changing the beat or the way that the metronome operates. I think you wanted to learn how to change this. So that's why I sort of demonstrated that. But that's it. Really easy to do. And I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial, and I've got nothing left to say, nothing left to show you. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.